exactly. I wonder how they got here.
Like I was actually gonna tell him that. I was actually gonna say you're a little rich kid. You don't have to worry about
That
this.
one guy's here, like, he's a total hack. He's a total tool. The last guy? Like, he's obviously been trained.
Shit, this is what this place is gonna turn into if homeboy keeps teaching here. We're gonna have more people like that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I hope the annoying, like some of them who are apolitical, if that's even possible.
Okay, so we are here today at Georgetown Red Square with the ADIOS URIBE coalition, which is a coalition of Georgetown students, Colombians, people from different organizations, just concerned people about the fact that ex-president Uribe is invited to teach here and will be teaching the next 2 weeks here on campus. So a main thing that we wanted to do today is have an educational component. So we have 4 different stations. One is talking about the many cases of extrajudicial executions that happened under Uribe's presidency. At least 3,000 innocent civilians have been killed and made to be supposedly guerrillas, died in combat. But the truth is that these were innocent people that have been killed. We also have another station that is talking about paramilitaries and ties of the government and support of the government with paramilitary groups, and also paramilitaries working in connections with transnational companies that are coming and extracting resources and taking over people's lands, people's ancestral lands. We have another one which is talking about forced displacement. 4.9 million people in Colombia have been displaced. Under Uribe, it was 2.4 million people. And obviously the communities that have been more impacted by these were Afro-Colombians and indigenous communities. So we actually have testimonies of Colombians, of people that are displaced, and in their own words they're explaining what has happened. And then lastly, we have a station talking about political repression. So anytime these Colombians want to stand up to protect their land or want to protect their rights, human rights defenders, what's the response from the government? It's to repress them, to send death threats. And we actually have one example of a human rights defender who was sent to their house, a box, and inside the box there was a doll covered in blood as a death threat. So once again, anybody who stands up in opposition of these crimes will be threatened or killed, and there's many cases. So that's the first portion of what we have, and then we're gonna have a peace rally with lots of people talking about what it means to have someone like Uribe teaching about leadership, knowing that he has such dirty past. So